Today, y'all, coming in with another video. Y'all know Candle Day is very close. Some of y'all might know this information already because y'all been doing Candle Day for a couple of years now. Like myself, I've been going for a long time. So today is going to be just a brief video about Candle Day. I'm gonna do more videos like this, but today it's just gonna be Candle Day talk. So let's get into it. I took a couple of notes, so I got my notes right here. The first thing, Candle Day. Who is doing Candle Day? Bath and Body Works / White Barn. Bath and Body Works / White Barn is doing Candle Day. That's who's doing it. And I know, again, a lot of y'all already know. But this video is for some of the people who don't know nothing about Candle Day, has never been to Candle Day, and just don't know what it is. But Bath and Body Works / White Barn is doing Candle Day. What is Candle Day? Candle Day is an annual sale that Bath and Body Works do every year. And I don't know what year that it started, but it's been going on for many years. I think my very first Candle Day probably was like 2013 or something, long time ago. But they do it every single year. This is the sale that they have their candles at the lowest price of the year. You could get close to this price, but through the year, but on Candle Day, the candles is normally the lowest price. Now, over the years, they have raised the candle prices up. You know, when I first started going, the candles was $8. We haven't seen an $8 Candle Day in many years. So, and also back then, they used to have like the bounce back coupons. We used to, you know, like when you go into the store and you purchase something, they will put a coupon inside of your bag. They haven't did the bounce back coupons in many years. Please, Bath and Body Works, bring that little perk back. We love that perk. So back then, they used to have the bounce back coupons, and we used to always go and try to get as many as we can. And the coupons used to be like 15 off of 40, 10 off of 30. And then I think the other one was 5 off of 20, I believe. I'm not 100% sure about that part, but that's how the coupons work. And then remember, the candles was $8 back then. So just think, you got a bounce back coupon, and the candles was $8. Amazing deal. But now, these last few couple of years, the candles been like $10, $25, somewhere around up in there. You know, I think last year that was the price. That's the most expensive price so far. Hopefully this year they don't raise the price again. We all got our fingers crossed about that. So that's what Candle Day is, the day that you could get the candles for the cheapest price of the years. Yes, they normally have amazing sales throughout the year where you could get your candles for probably like under $11, but Candle Day you get them for around $9 or under $10. So yes, that's what Candle Day is, the lowest price of the year. When is Candle Day? Candle Day normally falls every December, the first weekend of December. So last year they did it for 2 days, a Friday and a Saturday. This year I heard that it's going to be Friday and Saturday. I'm not 100% sure on that. Don't quote me on that. But every time they have Candle Day, it's always the first weekend of December. And as far as when is it, what time is it, stores, it varies. You have to check your store to see what time they normally open and things like that, because it varies. Where is the sale going to be? It's going to be in all of the Bath and Body Works White Barn locations. Mall location, if you got a strip mall locations, as well as online. So that's where it's gonna be. And most of the time, Candle Day goes all day. The store will run like usual, you know. It's just gonna open up early. Like my store normally open up at like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So, you know, that's not their normal time they normally open up. But for Candle Day, it's a special day. It's a special event. It be super, super packed. So they normally open up at about 4 a.m., 5 a.m. in my area. But you have to check your store because it varies. Every store is different. Some people have some areas where it's a high traffic area or they get a lot of business. Some of those stores open up at midnight. My store never opened up at midnight, but it is. Leave in the comments if your area is one of those areas that open up at midnight. I know they did that a couple of years ago at some locations, but my location never ever did that. So yeah, we usually open up at 5 or 4 a.m. You most definitely got to get in line super, super early, like 4 a.m. or 4:30 if it opens up at 5, because I'm here to tell you, the lines be long. So yeah, make sure you know exactly what time your store open and things of that nature. The why. Why should you shop this sale? Why? Because again, it's the lowest price of the year. And also, sometimes this is where you could buy your backup candles. Like if you haven't been shopping throughout the year, you could buy your backup candles. You could get the exclusive candles, the Candle Day exclusives. Candles that only come out for Candle Day, even though some of those candles do be repackages, but sometimes it be new candles, new fragrances that never came out before, and they're only going to be there for Candle Day. Also, if it's an exclusive candle, more than likely that candle will sell out. So that's another reason why you want to go to Candle Day. Cheap prices. Candles under $10, cheap prices. And then also, you know, you could get all your friends together and y'all could go as a group because it's fun. It's so much fun. Yes, it is a slight headache because if you don't plan it out and have a routine and have a list and have a budget, you must have a budget, because every year I say I'm going to buy a certain amount of candles and I always go over. So because it's so much fun and you find different things and you find those treasure finds, those candles that they put out that you've been looking for. So that's the reason why it's so fun to go, because you just never know what you're gonna find. So that's my take. That was the who, what, when, where, and why you should do Candle Day. So that's what I think. I feel like we all should participate in Candle Day. I love Candle Day. I wish they go back to the $8 price, but I don't think we will ever get the $8 price. I wish, these are my Candle Day wishes. I wish they would go back to the $8 price. I wish they would give us bounce back coupons. And I wish that they had more exclusive candles. You know, the candles that only come out for Candle Day. That's some of the things that I wish. I could go all the way, a whole list of things, but I'm not going to do that. Hopefully this video was helpful to some people who don't know about Candle Day and never has been to Candle Day. It's a fun event that Bath and Body Works do every single year, and every year it gets more popular. So yes, it's gonna be crowded. So make your list, make your plans. Hopefully you've been saving a budget, because I've been talking about Candle Day for a couple of months now. After semi-annual sale end, I started mentioning, well shoot, before that I always mention Candle Day because I know as a collector, Candle Day is a huge event for me. I absolutely love Candle Day. So leave in the comments, do you have your plans? What you're gonna do? Hopefully you have your budget. Also, I want to know, what number is this for you? What Candle Day number is this for you? Like I said, I've been going probably since 2013. So yeah, do the math on that. So I've been going for a while, almost 10 years now. So so this probably will be like my 10th Candle Day. Leave in the comments, let me know when did you start? What year was your first year for Candle Day? And how much was the candles? When I started, the candles was $8. Leave all that down in the comments, y'all. Again, I'm gonna make a couple of more of these videos, just getting everybody to speed, getting everybody ready for Candle Day, because it is a fun event. It can be stressful. So we just kind of wanted to be smooth, you know, have fun, get our little candle group together, you know, the people that you're gonna go with. So yeah, leave all that down in the comments. And shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching everything I put out. And don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.